In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resume in Microsoft Word using a modern CV style. Let's start by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. From the main screen, instead of choosing a blank document right away, look for the search bar that lets you browse templates. Type in Resume or CV and wait for Word to show you a variety of built-in designs. These templates are a great starting point because they already have clean layouts, headings, and sections that follow modern resume standards. Scroll through the available options and look for a modern, simple design with clear sections and good spacing. Avoid anything that looks overly decorative or cluttered, since many employers now use applicant tracking systems that work best with clean formatting. Once you've found a design you like, click on it. Then choose Create to open it as a new document. You'll see placeholder text for your name, job title, contact details, and different sections like summary, experience, education, and skills. Start at the top and replace the sample name with your own. Add a short professional title underneath, such as your current role or the type of role you're aiming for. Then update your contact details, including your email address and city. Keep it professional and simple. There's no need to include sensitive personal details like your full address, date of birth, or any identification numbers. Next, move to the profile or summary section. This is usually a short paragraph of 2 to 4 lines. Replace the placeholder text with a brief overview of who you are as a professional, what you're good at, and what kind of role you're looking for. Keep it focused, clear, and tailored to your field. Now, update the work experience section. For each role, edit the job title, company, location, and dates. Under each position, replace the example bullet points with your own responsibilities and achievements. Aim to be specific and use action verbs like managed, developed, or implemented. Try to highlight results where possible, such as improvements, savings, or growth you contributed to. Then, move on to your education. Enter the name of your school or university, your qualification, and your graduation year. After that, customize your skills section to reflect tools, software, and soft skills that are relevant to the jobs you're targeting. Once everything is filled in, go through the entire document to tidy up spacing and alignment. Make sure fonts, sizes, and headings are consistent. Finally, save your resume both as a Word document and as a PDF so it's easy to share and won't lose its formatting.